Stores Limited nero eduke cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyika ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganiri erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Springfield Medical Television Center nigomono egukorereria obukoreri bwa general outpatient consultation nabuigo obubweria kukorabare ensemo y'uburingiro laboratory services pharmacy eye care usensemo ya maiso nabuigo ensemo ya mainugo dental nigomono ba mentire obukoreri bwabo kuba ubuya n'obuyamano kigiba bagotoka asensema Imperial Building, ground floor, Samange Bakire Simiase number 0745268031 was 0721243247. Springfield Medical and Vision Center, Guika Ekwe, Obokoreriobia.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Mwancho wa murigereria chitariki ni 19 na kwariganirie ase Ekeonga Chinsa Iberei nyare gokoretera ari nkwariganitie korwa ime na isiko yorogongo rwa gusiria nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya asense mujende yebimanyererio nigo togosanga na Wilson Makori kurinde totara ya chaka bene asenchira yobo ikiranu tigatura ya chaka asenchira yobwenge
Irito basomi bamanya na kiguru wekorosiwa what are the requirements chokorosie group nainde after barosiri group na kibago chamo so that they benefit from these government resources.
Esegetene guchiasa abantu no kwerikia guchiasa byombe ao bunenchereyemo iyo kwegendereria
aneko baikagera abantu barabange specieta iyo aseigo abageni barure Nairobi bakire gopime chire echake kwagacho
abamenyi bake gogimeye bunge ya kitutu chache no tugosange birengerero byabo igoro ye chiro ekwagacho chinsemechyo.
Significantly tightened security and ensured fairness for all candidates. Despite these strengthened measures, a few individuals still attempt to beat the system.
Omuwaziri wegisemi migosi ogamba gukwanira amatemo y'ekirasi ye 12 ayuarange gochikohera na bigo muroberio OCBE. Gochaka kegima mwanchwa omoligereria nigo kubwatekana nemiroberio yogochaka gwokwagacha wechiro yekerero chinsemo chia kegogi eyogotoka imeye bunge ya kitutu cha Chenoth abamenyi bensemeywe baomera nabu ninchireyemo yogosange birengerero byabo igoro yobwagachi obuburachi gokoreka amatuka bwango iga buna erobeirie kokwana chinga kecho no munyakerogo wechireywe asireta Eric nigatebirenga nigerabe biya chinga kyabasaye barabe bakoegwa libaga kusaba menye bensemeywe anene chinga kyobo cha obwagachi burachake unenchireye moyo kwenyorera engire yabo ya kera lituko nabo igo guikirania amaganio ase chi amate chiabo nigo emerobilio ebekire yo gochaka kwagacho wechireywe buna bateba ase amatuko abwango iga buna tukumanyigwa kurwa sensemeywe no muri keto Daniel Ontere.
Asira yalietwe no morai wense Dr. William Ruto chinga kichietaro yae asense meiga nigo hatebete na chikobeka chibe sensemo chokwaga chichiro yekerero ya kigogi witraso mubunge wense meiga umusike Jafeth Nyakundi
mochumbo ito Jafeth amone president koba suggested chire yagachwa erekane koba ikagera abantu barabange specieta iyo aseigo abageni barure Nairobi bakire gopime chire echake kwagacho
kubotekana nayo umugasorero abamenyi bakewogi n'abonchiriria nigo bagokera ukubekwa chibuti hasi chireye asubwagachi burachigo chaka insi yichi kibere nichinga kicho baro birengereri byabo nagosingirira igekwe haiga kegogi
igaigo maitena no tokorwe mechie menge no erange gaiga no toko chapuna nchembwate chingeni tingo ngago travel ne chingeni kindinete pikipiki gosengo chiai igaiga nchendo chenge chiro yake gogi gaigere beta na ndenengi ya mono na ndenge abanta bange mbago kereta na enga bunaga tauni kegogi nchendo chenga mbuya tikatobeke ruwe chiro katigaiga obole mokiborake squeeze maite to advance chichiro chiakinire rero togwaje kuna stairs chikora bagotira tele lazima tobere underground yoka wana batoko extend yabe kuchigoro njana ko prefanga chiro yake gogie berega iba
koruna kanyometwe nona kinereta nonkoni amabere nonkoni chingeni emboga nonkoni omoterone gaiga akinche ngotebange chiro yeito ekene kia mangana abantu abange bakorwa nyakora bacha abake bacha lakini kegogi no abange korubosongo no abange ngoteba iganga mware gwancha gose omugambio ito bunache taga akege kamagaya oyore oyo tebete chiro yagachwe chibesa chiaruru kakina roche naronga chire na begwenerete ko baga na inde iga no center ngotebanga abaise konyerusi ga liro line chigwa gutura beke togenda paka asomo neno lio itorogoro totele nga mintu ntuti atokwereke gogi yaito tigabe chikora banonya inya isano
asense mwende niko baboria obwagachi bwo tibo baisa kuburukanigwa na siasa boigo bakwanira gosemeri kwabo asa basae bunamba chikwanyorera engeria wetera asa gukora chigasi cyamagoko asense meye
abana baita bange babwati gasi aiga baye guchigasi cyoko boko gaiga bantu mbarusi guisiko chibundi choka chirega ge chisaine nyona banchini boka bararuisiko ko chakorigererie chire yangakie kwagacho
komenta nayo abamenya baiga bono nigo bagokera umukia bomubunge okitutu chache North Musike Jafeth Mokaya Nyakundi ase gitambokero gyokoroto tamagendero bamoteba kuba murayi bwerwete asoko bakorere mirimo
omushimi woito chabeti mbiyamono nyasago sesenie gendera na mangana yo goika paka bogitutu yeito rogora yarore kanire nanga kiego gikoba
nkorbotere getaseni kya Getembe kurega kitutu chache North ime county ya Kisii alitere nengoro kwa Daniel Untiri.
Buna enchire yemo yogokinia ebinyoro nabegokoreta abantamo ase cooperative eri banyare kwegendereria asobogima nigo litukuria rero ebikundi gwetania 45 byakora ogosangerekana gosokomerana buna enchire yemo yokonyora amaigelio nechinchira ekyo kwegendereria gokwana chinga kiechyo omwana siasa Walter Ongaki oyumerania abamenyi be ward yerigoma nigatebirenga na chikubwaterana n'abantu ase binyoro bune nchira yemo yogokinia amagimabo asoko basira kwegendereria na konyora chingeria korwa ase byombe ao munatukumanyigwa no muri Kyoto Paul Cup okara korwa ase county ya Nyamira
okobamo ase ebinyoro egento byakamanyekanite buna ebyombe gose chi cooperative nakyo chireire ebinyoro kogendereria kubwatekanamo nebisagwa ebyo bigosangirirwa nabego bigotuma gokyase ebikundi ebiga unenchire yemo yokwegendereria
pamoja
nakyo kireire Walter Ongaki oyole mwanasiasa kurase wadi yegayerigoma kwende kibuna igabasangireire wetania ebyombe 50 abo bayikenera sinseme chigacherigoma erikonyora megelio na kibara register naboigo yakibara nyore chibaza kurase serikali nebyombe binde elio begendereria
chibaza chinyinge che serikali inche buno murai nabere kingwete binyoro byane igo nanyora nge challenge abantu baito babwate nene batari konyora chibesa chinyinge kose batari koye guchibesa nese nginjo batabwati certificates of registration igo aseri tukoria rero litangane kabisa narangiriti byombe biri bibwata chi certificate bali bairete chi certificate echinde chi expire batara renew na bali bande batabwate at all elinde tobasomi ninde nabo bisaga
ingana kolengana mwana Walter tebire irase nkoro ya ebune nchire yemera konye abananchi kwenyolera ubwaita nebisagwa ibira abakonye barubuka abanyene
nande kero muri kikundi the pooling of people together even resources igo mogo kolege ntekemo kekogera kebakonye mwensi abantu abange namba ibere chibese chinyinge no anchiri chia donors echitage tanto bare kikundi nchitage individual igobona kingo ni courage abantu baito beligoma no nchakerete batware byombe nande tobamo esengenjo yogosira na intubu ne byombe
egento kolengana mona Joshua Ulina oyole omobisa o social services ase ebyombe bigabikorikigwa agendere ko bagagotoge no kugendere ko basemya abantu kwane kibunango eri cyabale ase ebyombe elio kwanyolera ubwaita kurwase eserikali
igo tuachire basomi bamanyana kigurwe korosiwa what are the requirements chokorosie group na inde after barosiri group na kibago chamo so that they benefit from these government resources readily available egere na barobe konya because you realize the government does not assist individuals
asensemo yende Walter Ongaki oyo ogendere ko bagagotwara liosa lyo konyara ko bahaga ko bomora ikurwase wade yerigoma igonera agendere ko bagagoteba se myaka ange 10 yaitire nige wadiga etaranyora uburabubuya yendo kolengana monera tebere ise kunyara ko bagakonyora libageriga socho libosyo na konya mono eli wadiga kwegendereria
ige kerongo na gokonye byombebi nese ngenjo nimanyete nga 2027 ngo ntuma balenchi ko bakorere gasi tinta kiti 2027 nganze ko ba excuse ngangi batanya orete chibese chia donation ama donors konta ite toke be tweta list properly chibese chiriri bagachikoirana chikonya abantu baito ebinyoro byeito
nigento abamenye bechinseme chiga bagokeire abo batogire getambukere kya Walter asubwo bateberenga batkunyara ko bakonyora uboito bunene na asejintunda chiri mutwe bamurengerere moneri gokinya wadiga yerigoma
amaigiri twanyore namaya nandi tukumwakira mbia mono aenderere gotoretera abo bisa baitu
ende tutwara ubwege no bonene sana kare turamutuma ali ase county na namanyete egento agokora naende nanyare gosukia abang'ina na abasae ase enchera eyemo erinde bakine kebogima.
Ginkuripoteri gitasini kia wanjete kia Getembe kurwa sinseme chigache wadi Eligoma ime county ya Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp okara.
Chingaki amatuka make atigarete amatemu yekirasi kia 12 gose form 4 goika omwerio omugwaziri weji semi migosi ogamba niga atebire niga murobirio yo obeire gokogenda senchirengi ya atatiga bake bari batoka bari no muchando chingaki chiboigo nigo akwanira igoro yo niga akwanira igoro yo murobirio OCBE anene chingaki chiga aborokiwa abatangani baguchigosoa se senior school.
Over recent years, the Ministry of Education and the Kenya National Examinations Council have refined examination administration procedures. Previously, all the papers of the day were collected once in the morning, but since we started these changes, and in the spirit of vigilance and out of an abundance of caution, collection of these papers now takes place twice daily, for the morning papers at 7 a.m. and the afternoon papers at 1:30 p.m. This approach has significantly tightened security and ensured fairness for all candidates. Despite these strengthened measures, a few individuals still attempt to beat the system. In such cases, monitoring teams working with our security agencies have acted swiftly, and the culprits have been intercepted and placed under arrest and others under investigation. These actions reaffirm the government's commitment to safeguarding the integrity of national examinations. As we enter the final 3 days, NEC has reminded center managers to reinforce operational discipline, including securing all mobile phones under lock and key, switching off Wi-Fi routers during examinations, and ensuring that candidates do not enter the rooms with any of these gadgets. The ministry is implementing reforms to strengthen access, equity, and quality at basic, senior, and university, together with vocational training levels. Ongoing efforts include expansion of infrastructure, targeted teacher deployment, and support for the continued implementation of the competency-based education. We also encourage that normal operations have resumed in the universities following the conclusion of the recent lecturers' strike, ensuring academic continuity for thousands of our students in the universities. Investment in technical and vocational education and training, TVETs, digital technologies, and enhancing learning resources remain crucial in equipping learners with practical and market-relevant skills. The ministry is also promoting psychosocial support and career guidance to help students plan ahead beyond secondary education. Collaboration with county governments, development partners, and communities continues to be central in sustaining these improvements.
Barai ba ekaunti ya Nyamira na boigo abae musie nigo bono basabire gutwara ebirengererio ebiya anene chingaki chiga barobereti gutwara egambo yo kumurusia bisi omugavana we county ya Nyamira Muske Amosi Nyaribo chingaki bono omwalimu omukoro Joseph Makori ate asangane gitaseni kia Getembe na gotebanga eise kobanga neribere lya siasa ligosuguma amangana yaiga nigo erare kanekoba egento ekebe.
Inche onalo goteba mangana nyali bonye babwate grounds amangana ara corruption amangana mismanagement amangana accountability. We cannot associate it with the politics. Banya abantu bali banyamira barochenga, that is their grounds. Tibagenda ahead bakoleki babeke impeachment process, lakini they basa gotoka nga there's some external factors that would be so silly. If the external factors chigenga disorient nyalibo because is the already can you support Matiang disorient and so such that we humiliated them on their ground. ise kwa that way I will blame the MCAs. Lakini siko to ngamba the grounds corruption yere never your own mother, never your own father. If he is not accountable right now, let the asili wagendeka. Lakini na kina wada ngaki waligire libu mbaya basi kuleta mchanganyiko ndani ya kazi. Ya matiaginara ona lete libu tomoseri tumuyumbiye yaya. Tikabagende with the factors kikoreka nganchiro nyiro nyalibolende na baya nako impeached. Lakini injege no kukoshona abantu banyamira bara mbaba sekoleta ibintu bikutenga umuntu uri ko outside of what ngaki because that's propaganda I was telling you. Nyalibona kutumika mune propaganda tool go teach matiangire so which is not good. So let nyalibo carry on cross on what the factors you know on what the evidence on what the information is saying on we get trace all you come impeach we don't care about it because you want commit the problem together face problem on you about the problem they want to get mbaba so let the external forces into Nyamira politics.
Liage siasa ligendrete koneki wase county ya Nyamira anena sechi wode chingaki obocholi oboke bogendrete kwaligani wabwe chitarike 25 lituko lya lero omurwanereria we ward yeyo ase Elieta Francis Amenya nigo anyara konyora ogosirwa korwa asabarwanerere babere oyo mukuru ase kiama kia KNC aso Elieta Hairini Murara nabo igo Jubilee Alfred Okeli abo barolekana komwa okoboko asoko musira anene koba omobui bosese bakagerete ase bakomwa okoboko nemirobilio yogo chikomo kora koba omobui asobocholi obue bwariganire bosio kokona litukolia lero bakorawa na omo chief whip Silvanus Sosoro omo bunge kuri county ya Nyamira Josh Nyamoko omo gwimi representative Jerusha Mumanyi na boigo omubungo kitutu cha North Javet Nyakundi chinga kiba omerana ase kenyero kia ase skuru ya St Matthews gekendo eyo kutoka se ward ya Kerenyo nigo batebanga ngochi bale koenekia komwa chinguru chisaine omurwaniro yoiga elianyale koba omubui ase obocholi munatukumanyibwa no mulikyo ito Fatigadi Gisemba
omurwaniriri bwekirugo kyobo MCA asobochori oboke kurwase wode ya Ekerenyo nigo agendereire konyora ogusira okonene maiga yabarwaniriri bande abokonya bare asikiminanike anena asobochori oboiga oboke umutyoni oyo chitariki 22 komwa okoboko bosyo obochori oboiga
oye we pulidi engiya embege bwaterioka kabugare ndenganki nkonya kuomerio motu igogo ekei oimukereri wigoro nkeke igotimba gechinge na witiriro ide yaya nembuya mono asengenjo mwanga ancherete abande no bari gochotenga umusubati oyo bono tare kogenda rioka lakini mbancheranete aende bagatebanga swagabwo nayo manya gocha kwebwe echenge buya mbuya mono mushikenya mukesengenjo nangaripishete
Mwanjira nwe mwezi pi nendo sorese kiama kia UDA Irene mbiyamono sana naende mbiyamono esengencho kwa amwire tobuaterane we make sure nga ekerogeke ya chirasa amenya esengencha amenya nere gaki emyaka 20 nemenge gaki
twamwaliganirie asoe ase serikali ekoroku Kenya kwanza na pia abantu bali baye konyora mwalenge gocha kumubekera chikura moigweto dekeleire chionsi pichiso ase. Thank you and karibuni.
Ajaiga nigo aenekiwa rero asomusangirikano omonene oge siasa aserombe ya Kenya kwanza yokorawa no mubunge Onoth Mugirango muskecho wa Shinyamoko
ntakete ko baenekaringa asenteni ni nale gotenno yitali omo we mintul I could not make it asama skania manene nangita inson nasalia nincho ina babwatire nale gosaba mumbwatisie toge nainwe ase safari ye
waroche 2022 asiba begete bet bakabeka igoroga aliegeta ekekia menyanke sinye mbalenga bako amenya eti amenya
ase omusangirikano oyoiga nigo mubunge onoth mugirango muskecho ashinyamoko aerera
Matebina te konyarekana nende te cover inchena nyamacho nyamoko ingende gotenena nyuma ya UPA eyue kongozo no musiko korokwa musinyaliba kera musiolio minto tanya gonsika gancha ete gakongongora sago taronspi
ensemo yaye chief whip ase bunge enene omuske Silvanus Osoro nigo aira chinga kiecho na kwerera chisababu kiria chiragere abaki chikurakurwa Ekerenyo komojora Francis Amenya puna omo MCA obo asobochori oboiga oboke
narega ukobekere bunduke bwakere ruto chikura ninkobekere bunduki ndero ndakobekere bunduko 2027 emiake yebere mota kete chipara gose mota yete onye gota yete chipara mwake yebere ukiamba tebye siri Ekerenyo oye aso mwako yo monenusu omuntu bwekerenya ake sab ori otato gwakera ningamanyete nigamanyete riereri aigamna tuikarasta speaker no ara ababu speaker nero ko bagachi committee chiogo ikarasa chiepara chiestima chiamache no ara ababunge be county assembly ya Nyamira no bara olio koboli chikuro olionde ningamanyete oje tamanyeti onde omuntu bye kamanyete nyaribo ka achari ndoria mangana ndia magendera gocha goikaga Ekerenyo kere bindo byabera beka amenya ama etosoro amenya ama ete nyamoko amenya ama nyete jerusha amenya igo ama nyete president ya igoro agitoko akira amenye gero nyore kiru ya 20 magendera before 2027 mwanchira ni boigo
Inko ripota Getembe koroiga gikendo eyegotoke meye ward ya Ekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugirange county ya Nyamira inje Fatigad Kisemba
Habaruanereria wekero kyobo jumbe ime yebunge ya Kaspul nigo balirera yogochia kogendere kwenekia omorembe asigati yabo anene chinga kechiga bagenderete ne campaign Boyd Were na boigo Philip Aroko nigo baba wakwa efaini ye chiringi emilioni ye mokero yomo kubwatikana ne chibura boru chiaba chikoeneke wasama tukamaiga anena sebunge ywe goikogosira kwa magima yabantu.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Boyd Ongondwere, ODM candidate in the Kasipul by-elections. Earlier on Monday, we were summoned by the IBC. We appeared, and now a decision has been made. Although there were initial reports, intelligence reports that were issued to the committee, which were not served to me personally or to my lawyer in advance, which, if given time, I would have commented on. But nevertheless, I respect the decision of the committee, and I'll seek further guidance on the same. I've signed the Political Decency and Peace Charter for political candidates, but it doesn't mean that I'm guilty. But I want to reaffirm my commitment to advocating for peace in Kasipul. I want to urge my supporters, I want to urge all candidates in the Kasipul by-elections, all residents of Kasipul, let's maintain peace. Let's embrace each other. It's only 1 week to the by-elections, so let's campaign peacefully, let's maintain peace. At the end of the day, we'll only have one member of parliament, and at the end of the day, the people of Kasipul will choose their member of parliament. Thank you.
I've signed this document bearing in mind that if I do anything that is opposite, the circumstances that will follow may not be favoring. But I don't fear, because I know I'll keep it peaceful as I've been always. I therefore also communicate to my supporters and the entire team of my campaign, the Otete team, that their leader, I will represent them peacefully, like I've always been. That I'll maintain it peaceful and adhere to the code of conduct that is already set here. That we seek this commission to exhaust anything that will give peace for the people of Kasipul. That also commits here that the moment the right thing will be done by the commission, by the able commission, the Kasipul people will have their choice and peace will prevail going forward. This is a constituency that, as the commissioners have put it, we've had serious issues before. We don't intend to make it further.
Mwacho murigirire tetorando mutimuko mokeigo ntoira newe nyuma yege kagetalie Getembe ilitonyale kogenderera gotengera Ekeonga Chinsa Iberei.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chena Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Professor Kithure Kindiki nigagenderere komomochia oyo kabeiro mokonyu bumurai wenso mukuru Rigathi Gachagua asoko genderera gwa kasiasa chitarie chia magenderero asate birenga chinga kechiga ne chia magenderero kurentali chia siasa ayaiga niga yagendereria chinsemo au anene sensemo ya Mbeere North chinga kiare gwa kirekoko oyo kurigia ekerogo chinsemecho omuskeleo wa Thende kuruase kiama kia UDA.
Mimi nimeona watu wengine hapa wanakuja kuchokoza gavana wa Embu. Hiyo ni upuzi. Huwezi kuja kwa mtu alafu na mtusi. Unamtusi kama nani? Huku mchagua, hautamchagua. Alafu nakuja hapa na kierere kutusi watu kwenda huku. Na hii tabia lazima ikome. Hatutaki viongozi wa kujipiga kifua. Unajipiga kifua kama nani? Hata mimi kama kiongozi wenu, kiongozi wa nani? Wewe ni kiongozi kwako nyumbani kwa bibi yako na watoto. Yeah. Ama namna gani jameni? Ni fire si fire. Huyo mtu mwambie ataona fire. Na sio kwa sababu hati yako na mrengo tofauti ya kisiasa, hiyo ni haki yake. Kwa sababu hapa niko na ndugu zangu hapa area hii. Hawako katika hii mrengo yangu ya leo, lakini nimewaheshimu kwa hiyo decision yao. Na mimi sitaki tuvurugane hapa nyumbani. Kwa sababu next week baada ya Thursday tutabaki kuwa jamii moja, watu moja. Ama namna gani? Kwa hivyo tusivurugane, na mimi sina shida na wale viongozi wengine, hata wale hawaungi mkono candidate wetu. Lakini tuwe na nidhamu, tuache matusi, tuache vita. Mimi niko na shida tu na mtu mmoja wa kimbelembele na kiherehere. Huyo peke yake. That is my problem. Na ametisha magavana, anatisha maseneta, anatisha wabunge, anatisha wananchi. Kwani yeye ni nani? Kwende tutamunyorosha mbaya sana.
Ekeombe kia World Health Organization bakuwatira na serikali ya Kenya litukulia lero nigo babu atukajia ambulance 14 gutia sector yobochenu ase egotebekana ninga ekini gitambokero kirache kwene kianga sector yobochenu yakini gutia sekerengo kende omurubiria orawa no murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Today we reaffirm that commitment by strengthening the partnership that protect our people and protect our region. Kenya and WHO have stood together through outbreaks, pandemics, recoveries, and rebuilding, forging a partnership defined not just by projects, but by shared capabilities in early warning systems, national surge teams, strategic reserves, and digital systems that turn data into life-saving action. Because of this collaboration, fewer lives are lost, recoveries are faster, and confidence across the continent continues to grow. The advanced life support ambulances will be handed over to all our 7 national referral facilities and the National Emergency Response Center of the Ministry of Health. In addition, the counties of Elgeyo Marakwet, Marsabit, Siaya, Samburu, and Tana River will benefit from similar vehicles that will support reproductive and maternal health services. This support goes to the heart of our universal health coverage agenda, advancing safe pregnancies, healthy mothers, thriving newborns, and responsive systems. The new resources will strengthen emergency referral care, improve oxygen capacity, reduce maternal and newborn deaths in high-burden counties, and sharpen our readiness for cholera, mpox, and other public health threats. Their true value will not be measured not in numbers, but in mothers saved, babies supported, and communities strengthened. Yet maternal and newborn mortalities in Kenya remains unacceptably high. No woman should die while giving birth, and no baby should be lost to preventable causes. Today we reaffirm that commitment by strengthening the partnership that protect our people and protect our region. Kenya and WHO have stood together through outbreaks, pandemics, recoveries, and rebuilding, forging a partnership defined not just by projects, but by shared capabilities in early warning systems, national surge teams, strategic reserves, and digital systems that turn data into life-saving action. Because of
Managwechibicha wokwana chinga kiecho nigo mwaziri bwabo chenu moske adenduale aene kiabuna nigo chigali echo chira chigo konye sekte yue go chia sekerengo kende eng'ana boigo yakirwe koko n'abarai bande korwa ase serikali.
WHO's support has had a very significant and lasting impact for Kenya's public health, and we are very happy at the progress because Kenya has recorded steady improvement across key public health indicators with WHO's guidance.
And I want to confirm to you, Your Excellency, we are very active members of WHO. We have fulfilled all our commitments and our collaborations in disease surveillance, in many of the emergencies and epidemics, not only in our country but within our region. We have collaborated with WHO. Your Excellency, what you are launching today is that commitment of our partnership. And today's the vehicles, the ambulances, and the other items that you have flagged off that are going to our referral hospitals and our county hospitals are mainly geared towards reducing maternal and child mortality rate in our country. And Your Excellency, I want to commit to you, under your leadership and with the UHC program that we are implementing as a country, I want to commit to you and me and my team and our Council of Governors that will do whatever it takes that no mother or child dies. A mother walks to a facility not as a patient, but she walks to a facility to go and give us another living.
Today we hand over a major consignment of ambulances and medical supplies valued at $2.3 million to the government and people of Kenya. But this is more than a transaction. It's a testament to partnership, purpose, and the power of collective action. Each ambulance, each oxygen cylinder, each emergency kit tells a story. A mother who takes care of herself in time, a child whose life is protected, a health worker who responds well when every minute matters. Today, handover includes 14 fully equipped ambulances, 8 advanced life-supporting units to strengthen the National Emergency Ambulance Service Center and the 999 system, 6 ambulances dedicated to reproductive and maternal health services in underdeserved counties, where distance and delay too often cost lives.
Abuno toko ya kera umusumari Ekeonga Chinsa Iberei yanenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya sensemu yebimanyelero nigo twarenge na Wilson Makori kurende asebire biga nigo ngogotika na enkwana ya Getembe maiga yaye tuchikomera na onsarigo nebyombe bakubaterana na Wakenya pamoja sako.
Since we started these changes, and in the spirit of vigilance and out of an abundance of caution, collection of these papers now takes place twice daily, for the morning papers at 7 a.m. and the afternoon papers at 1:30 p.m. This approach has significantly tightened security and ensured fairness for all candidates. Despite these strengthened measures, a few individuals still attempt to beat the system. In such cases, monitoring teams working with our security agencies have acted swiftly, and the culprits have been intercepted and placed under arrest, and others under investigation.
Uhuru Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale yuerengia na woigo ekogokie riso yao chingagi ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na woigo box corrugated asinigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na woigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na woigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi woigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na woigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom woigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Esa marieta ankoro kwa Benista Marongo Bobe ninje principal ya Karoka Technical